Your team is a huge part of your success. And with your brand pack built on Go High Level, it's easy to bring everyone on board. So whether you've got a small crew or a growing staff, we'll show you how to get all of them the access that they need. Let's get started.
All right, it's time to add your staff here in your Marketing OS. So we're going to do that by coming down here to settings and clicking on my staff. Who would have guessed it? No. As you can see, I already got a couple different people in here. To add new people to your team, you're just going to click add a user. You're going to put in their info. You can even set up their email signature if you want it to be, standard across all of your employees. And then you want to set their roles and permissions. For a lot of people, you're just going to want to let them be a user. You can then dial in even more specifically what things they have access to and control over. But then you can also even set up their voicemail settings. You can even preset their availability. If you're like, hey, this person, nope, these are your hours. These would be kind of brutal hours. Don't make them work 24/7. But you can even connect their calendars in here. What's great is this actually allows someone who's an admin on your team to kind of do some of this work for folks. But then once they get added, they'll get an email and they'll do some of the same, they'll log in the same way you did the first time with that username and password. You can also come in and say, you wanted to come in and change somebody's password. You can totally do a forgot password, or you can set, and the forgot password will generate and send them a link to reset their password. You can also just go, hey, your password is password 123. Don't do that as the password though. That's a terrible password. But again, this is some helpful management for the members.
Hey, thanks for watching. These videos, they're designed for those who have a better story marketing brand pack built on high level that helps you make the most of your marketing system. Now, if you don't have a brand pack yet, no worries. Just check out the link down in the description and you can grab yours today. It gives you everything you need to grow your business smarter, faster, and easier, and get things up and running in days, not weeks or months. But if you prefer to build it all from scratch, we've got you covered there too. The other link down in the description will let you just sign up for a simple high-level account without the brand pack so that you can just start building things on your own. But if this video is helpful, please make sure to hit that like button, to subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future tips. We're here to help you launch and grow the kind of business that you want to own. I'll see you in the next video.